Hey my friend, my seniors, welcome to my channel. I am Prativ Barman here talking with you, and this video is gonna be a very special video because guys, like the environment, you can see the environment, the background. It is a station, it's a railway station, Nishinpur railway station, and this is, I am on a railway bridge. So this bridge is not completely done, that's why I can make here video. Okay, no train will come suddenly, so it's tension free. So this video is a very important video because guys, in this video I am gonna cover a very beautiful thing. This thing is be busy. Yes, one word, busy. This word can make you successful. Now the question may come that how and why. Lots of people, if people say to us that you are very busy person, then what is the problem if you be busy? Like, understand the meaning of busy. Busy means that when we have lots of work and when we can't find out or get some free time, that is means a busy. Like, I am doing a work and now I don't have any free time to talk with you or to spend with you, that means I am a busy. Okay, then fine, I am busy. Just remember one thing, you will never find a businessman or a successful person, okay, they are just free and they are doing fun with their life. You will find always a businessman or a successful person busy. So just remember one thing, that I will tell to you that always try to be busy means surrounded your life by works. Never let yourself become free, because how much work you will do, you will learn more things, your experience, you will grow up and you will learn lots of more things, and like that you also can do lots of things in your life, you can achieve lots of things in your life. So okay, always try to be busy. Just free time, whenever we get some kind of free time, then also we stop thinking about work, about our goals, and we start also just wasting our time. So it is better than wasting your time to do a work. Okay, now the work may be anything. If it is also running, then it is fine. If it is also normal work, then also it is fine. But do some kind of work. Always just be into the work, into the hard work, and you will see lots of good results in your life. If you just try to get, and also if you always try to focus on free time, I never get free time, then you are very lucky that you don't get free time. Okay, because whenever we get free time we feel more lazy, and because for that we don't do any kind of hard work, and it is a very minus point for all of us. So I want to share with you, just always just try to put in yourself in an uncomfortable zone. Uncomfortable zone, because great things, they will always come from uncomfortable zone, not the comfort zone. Like, if I make 2 videos at home, then I will make a 1 video at the outdoor. Why? Because I am trying to put myself in the uncomfortable zone. Because how much you will learn from the uncomfortable zone, you will learn more and more better. So that's why just do it, just follow it, and you will see lots of benefits, you will see lots of results, you will be able to achieve lots of goals in your life. So this thing I wanted to share with you. The people who are not busy, just you also don't spend time with them. Try to spend your time with the busy people. Whenever you will spend time with the busy people, just understand and analyze their lifestyle, their daily routine, and make your daily routine also like that. Because being busy, it means that you are just investing your time in a good way. Okay, whenever we will do any kinds of work which is important and which is very helpful, which is beneficial for our life, then it doesn't mean that I am wasting my time. Doesn't matter what is the work is, but I am just investing my time, and I am also using my time. Okay, so make your daily life like that, and also just understand the speaking style and also body movement of the person who's your inspiration. Okay, just analyze your inspiration, like everyone has an inspiration, so also analyze your inspiration and also just try to be like them. First copy, and then you will also can make yourself better. So this thing I wanted to share with you. A small notice it was, but a very beneficial and also a very important notice I shared with you. So always try to be busy and invest your time in a good way. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.